Now, if you're a science student, particularly students of biology and medicine, you should know this term, chromosome. You can't do without it. What does it mean? Now, there are two terms here, chroma and some, which means colored body, colored body, colored body. But away from that, that's not what they want you to know as a science student or a student of biology and medicine. What does chromosome really mean? Now, chromosome is like a packaging of DNA. DNA is the blueprint that has all the instructions to make all of the proteins that our bodies need to perform its functions. But this DNA is too long a molecule. So the body packages this DNA into what we call chromosome so that it can be shortened to fit inside of our cells. So each cells in our body have chromosomes. So chromosomes are packaged in such a way that they look like this. You may have seen this structure many times. Sometimes you just see something like X. Whichever way they put it, sometimes you may even see them like this, lined up just like this. So whichever way you see it, chromosome. So chromosome structure is like this, and then it has something at the center holding them together. And this is called the centromere. Centromere. You should be familiar with terms. Centromere means center. Tromere, looking at something like that is holding something together. Centromere. And chromosome has a longer arm called the Q arm and a shorter arm called the P arm. Right? And then there are two strands here that are held together at the center. These two strands are called chromatids. Chromatid. And then because they make up the same chromosome, they are called sister chromatids. Sister chromatids because they make up the same chromosome. So if we have two different chromosomes, like we have this chromosome and this chromosome, this and this will be called non-sister chromatids. Why? Because they belong to different chromosomes. While this and this are sister chromatids, this and this are sister chromatids, while this and these are non-sister chromatids. So, in a nutshell, let's repeat again. Chromosome is simply the body's way to package your DNA so that they can fit inside of the cell. We'll explain this in more detail as we continue the series. So keep following our Cellfie series for more.